Once upon a time, in the summer woods, there lived a small red fox. The red fox was hungry, so she had no choice but to follow a white rabbit into the snowy woods. The fox passed across the bridge, a fallen tree which divided the snowy woods and those summer woods. The fox passed across the border and chased it until she realized she got lost. As she was walking, she suddenly fell down in a soft bed of snow. When she woke up, she met a white wolf.
Ugh! Get away from me, wolf!
Why? I was just trying to help you.
What nonsense! You were trying to eat me!
Eat you?
The fox growled, ignored the wolf, and walked away. Wolves are vile creatures, so she could never trust one if met. She continued to walk deeper into the woods, only to sense a dangerous presence nearby. She shivered in fear. She thought she would be safe if she walked even faster, which proved to be wrong as out of nowhere a pack of wolves surrounded her. She couldn't do anything. She was helpless. At that moment, she thought her life would end there. A familiar figure came to the rescue. He fought the wolves by growling really loud at them. He scared the wolf, to which they ran away. She was shocked. The wolf brought the fox to the bridge.
Thank you for saving my life. I apologize I shouted at you earlier.
Sure, I forgive you. Can we be friends then?
Great! Let's be good friends. I hope we'll meet once again.